Hey, what do most retirees miss when they look at a Gold IRA? Most promoters talk about inflation protection, but they never mention the fees that quietly eat into your account. Here's the truth. A Gold IRA makes sense for some retirees, and it's a waste of money for others. In the next few minutes, I'm walking you through both sides, starting with the real cons, then the pros that matter. Stick with me, because this could change how you protect your retirement. So here's how these accounts work. It's a self-directed retirement account that holds physical gold instead of stocks or bonds, which means the IRS requires gold that's 99.5% pure or better. It has to stay in an approved depository with a qualified custodian, since you can't store it at home, despite what ads claim. That's the first detail most promoters skip, and it's exactly where people get into trouble. Now we get to the downsides. Setup costs, annual custodian fees, and storage fees stack up every year, and they don't stop when the market dips. That means your balance shrinks on autopilot when gold is flat. Physical gold doesn't pay dividends or interest either, so you only make money if the price goes up. Selling is also slower than unloading a stock, because when you want out, you work through a dealer who charges a spread between the buy and sell price. That spread costs you more than clicking a sell button in a regular account. Home storage isn't allowed, despite what the ads tell you. The IRS treats it as a distribution, meaning taxes and penalties, and some promoters still push home storage schemes. That's a fast way to lose a chunk of your savings. Those downsides are real, but the upside still matters. Gold hedges against inflation and currency devaluation, so when your dollar buys less at the grocery store, gold tends to hold its purchasing power over the long run. It also diversifies your portfolio beyond stocks and bonds. That means when the market crashes, your entire nest egg doesn't go down together. Physical gold has held value for thousands of years, while paper currencies lose purchasing power as the years pass. And inside an IRA, your gains grow tax-deferred or tax-free, based on whether you choose traditional or Roth. That gives you the same tax benefits as a regular IRA, but with an asset that moves independently of Wall Street, and for the right person, that combination is hard to beat. Here's the part most people miss. The real question isn't whether gold is good or bad. The real question is whether it's good for you, and if you're worried about inflation, market volatility, and currency risk, a small allocation to gold can make sense. Most advisors suggest 5 to 15% of your total retirement savings, not a full rollover. If you need steady income now, or extra fees would strain your budget, skip it. I've put together a Gold IRA checklist that walks you through what to look for, with pros, cons, and red flags. The link is in the description. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more updates, and leave a comment if you have any questions.